how to fix screen tearing in Fortnite on PC. So first, just check your monitor if your monitor is supported by FreeSync or G-Sync. Check if your monitor supports it. You could do that by going to the NVIDIA control panel for NVIDIA users, and for AMD users, just go to the control panel of the AMD Radeon, I think, for AMD users. And you could check there on the video settings if there's a G-Sync or FreeSync. If it's AMD, it's FreeSync, and for NVIDIA, it's G-Sync. So check if it is enabled or if it is supported. So if it is supported, go back to Fortnite, go to settings, click on your profile icon here at the top, go to settings, and on the video tab, if you have G-Sync or FreeSync enabled, make sure that V-Sync is turned off. But if you don't have any G-Sync or FreeSync supported monitor, you could just simply turn on G-Sync and try if it works. But do mind that disabling VSync can give higher frame rate and better input response. So if you enable your VSync, it will of course give you a lower frame rate and lower input response. And just set frame rate to unlimited, and that should do the trick. And that's basically it.